This glass double shower with seating cost a pretty penny. That is tile in the background. Nice sliding glass doors. Welcome to 484 Ridge Road. We're in Oakfield. That's where the cheapest gasoline is. It's where you can get $2,200 a year thanks to the wind generators. Oakfield is like the Switzerland of northern Maine. You have a big oak tree. You have a custom engineered type poplar. Nice healthy shade trees and for the birds. You're going to want to use all the toys because you have water everywhere. Cochrane Lake, Timony Lake, Spalding Lake, Mattawamkeag Lake, Pleasant Lake. Had enough water? Okay. East Grand, Brackett, Deering, Drews, Nickerson, Spednick, Hotbrook, Bascahegan. There's all kinds of water to float your boat, to fish. There's the trails to hunt, to four-wheel, to snow sled. Here's your back corner. Here's what's behind you. Nothing but countryside. New roof put on this Oakfield home last fall. It's vinyl sided. The attached double garage is handy in the dead of winter too, or to work on things like a Jeep. There's a back door in the garage. You don't have to put the big doors up. These are power double doors. Real boards. This one was built and it's 2 feet longer than your average garage. That makes a big difference. This is a door from the garage to the basement. Line chimney, 2-zone oil hot water furnace, and there's a boiler mate. The home is well insulated. It's well built. It's set back from the road. And see all the boards? And they cross-bridged a lot of the woodwork. This was built to last. See the insulation in the box sills? This is your outside bulkhead. They closed it off. You could open it back up and put a doghouse in if you want another third bedroom in your basement that's dry. 484 Ridge Road. Welcome to Oakfield, where they have the cheapest gas. I always fill up. I will fill up after this listing appointment. I don't know why, but gas is always 15 cents cheaper in Oakfield. You also get that wind generator check for $2,200. It was designed to run 20 years. That is a pretty nice perk. See the 4-door stainless steel refrigerator, the 5-burner electric stove, the dishwasher, the microwave? Those stay in the sale. This is about 42 by 26. Repairs? A job jar? Sorry, not on this one. You have one big open living area. No wasted halls. The only divider between the living spaces is that 6-foot bar table. It has the same butcher top block as the regular cabinets. It is some kind of warm outside. We're not used to humidity, but inside, talk about quiet, cool, well insulated. And you also have a bird feeder to watch while you're eating your meals. So you with me so far? You have that cedar entry, your laminate floor, new kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Everything opens into one big space. Wait till you see the bathroom. This glass double shower with seating cost a pretty penny. That is tile in the background. Nice sliding glass doors. A laundry closet in your bath. Smart. Lots of workspace. Drawers. This is a nice bathroom. 2 bedrooms. If you need more, let's develop that basement. Or let's take a bay of that garage and add whatever you're lacking. Or putting in a home office. That'd be a good spot. Bedroom 1. They're both on the back of the home, so you know they're quiet. It has a closet. Oh, and there is a linen closet in this short connector to the bedroom and bath. Bedroom number 2. 2 windows. 1 floor. No rugs. Just like new. Was built about 1989. Questions about 484 Ridge Road? Like to know more about the Southern Heuristic School System that's got a pretty good sports team? Want to know about the lakes, how to get on all the trails? Bank financing. Local banks work the best. We'll help you work through that. Planning to retire and don't need a bank? You're downsizing? Or are you a first-time home buyer? Here to help. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Don't forget to go down below in the Show More region for the price, for the link to the property information, for all the contact information. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel, and thank you for liking this video, for subscribing to our channel. This is another perk besides the $2,200 check that every year-round resident gets in Oakfield. They built a brand new fire department